Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can turn off notifications in the Google Chrome web browser really quickly. So let's get started right away. Head over to Google Chrome, be it on your PC or laptop. And what you want to do, guys, in the first step is click on these three dots here in the very top right corner of your screen to access your Google Chrome's browser settings. So choose settings from that drop-down menu. And here inside your browser settings, take a look at that panel here to the left and head over to privacy and security. Now here in the privacy and security section, select the lowermost option or feature called site settings. So let me click on it. Next, scroll down a bit till you get to the permissions section here. And what you want to do, guys, is select that option here called notifications. So click on it. And after that, you will be given access to these settings here for your Chrome notifications. So what you can do, guys, is, for instance, select the default behavior for these notifications by, for instance, allowing sites to send you notifications either through that option here, collapse all requests in the address bar, or collapse unwanted requests, or expand all requests, or to not allow sites to send you any notifications at all. So to turn off notifications, simply select this option here, don't allow sites to send notifications. And that's basically it. Alternatively, you may set custom rules and permissions below. For instance, give websites you previously disallowed sending you notifications the exceptional permission to send you notifications by simply clicking on these three dots here to the right and by selecting allow. This will give the given websites you see here to the left the permission to send you notifications, but only the selected website. So that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.